Working Committee of Cookie Civil Society Organizations, WCKCSOs-UKHRUL, has announced an indefinite total shutdown in UKHRUL district, citing complete distrust in the government's response to ongoing tensions as the primary trigger. Tensions have heightened across the district following the sudden announcement. The agitation follows a week-long peaceful campaign where Cookie CSOs submitted memorandums, issued a 48-hour ultimatum and held talks regarding selective economic blockade targeting the Cookie community. However, the committee stated that lack of concrete government action forced them to enforce the shutdown. Administrative communication breakdown has further fueled the unrest, and a crucial meeting called by UKHRUL Deputy Commissioner was abruptly cancelled by officials. Subsequent plans to conduct an online meeting also yielded no further updates, which the committee described as clear administrative bias. Meanwhile, the counter-blockade initiated by Cookie groups against blockades enforced by Naga and Meitei organizations entered its 10th day. Student organizations have now joined the working committee, adding strength to the demand for an immediate end to the blockade. CSO leaders clarified that they are not seeking special privileges or extra benefits. Instead, they are demanding basic democratic principles, equal fundamental rights, and fair justice. Essential services including electricity, water supply, telecom, medical emergencies, postal services, airport passengers, and security forces are exempted from the shutdown. However, strict frisking will be conducted. Security force convoys are instructed not to transport private citizens and must give prior notice of movement. The committee warned of a firm response if the government attempts to forcibly break this shutdown, while reiterating its demand to immediately lift the economic blockade against the Cookie community.